guys, thanks for checking out Softail Nation today. You can see, well, maybe you can see, she's a little dusty. We took her for a ride yesterday, and yeah, put on about 50 miles, December 21st, Central Utah. It was about 50 degrees outside, and some good gloves and a good jacket. We enjoyed the heck out of it. So anyway, thanks for checking out Softail Nation. I'm gonna continue the build here for you guys, and we're gonna do a couple of other things. The tail lights that were on here didn't work, so we're gonna swap out these tail lights, and I'm gonna keep going with the build for you guys. Thanks for checking out Softail Nation. Like if you do, subscribe if you haven't, and let's build. Okay, this was the stock fender. So there is too much going on back here. So there's the stock plug, stock wire harness. I am going to cut these. It looks like somebody's already been into them, and I'm gonna see what it's gonna take to wire in those new tail lights. Let's do it. Snip, snip. That's the only part we want. We got a whole bunch of tape somebody's put on there. What a mess. I know that can't be factory. Look at all that tape. What a mess. Alright, we're going to change this all up. Hang out for a second. Get rid of some of this stuff. We're clipping off all this extra crap. Oh, and look, there's a bare wire. You see that bare wire? I don't know if you can see that or not. Anyway, what a mess. This is all going to get new wire loom too. Alright, this is easy. Negative, positive. Probe's got power. We got positive and negative that we can switch to on there. We got the sound. We can adjust there. There's a positive sound. There's the negative sound. Woo! Let's check some wires. Alright, here is the factory plug. Boom. Shakalaka. Alright, we want power. And we want to label some wires with some tape. This is not going to be an instructional video, but we're going to figure this out. So first thing we should have is a tail light. Hey, there's power right there. And there's your ground. Alright, so these two have power. Watch that red light come on. Power. Power. And this one here is ground. Watch the red, green light. See that? There's the ground. Two powers and a ground. Okay, that's good there. So one of these is going to be brake, one of these is going to be right turn, and one of these is going to be left turn. So I'm going to label these three real quick. Alright, now I want to see which one of these is the brake. Alright, you guys, welcome to the paint booth portion of the garage. Two-way tail lights, three-way tail lights, 3 wires, 4 wires. All right, let's do this again. If I'm being honest, I like these new lights a little bit better. Nothing on the bike is pointy like these. Those kind of fit a little bit better, don't they? I like that look. Let's do it. Here we go. Okay, guys, check it out. I used some foam double-sided automotive trim tape on this, that foam trim tape. So look at that, holds in place nicely. We can just pull those back, pop that out of there, slide that harness out. And then these will just slip back into place. Let's do it. Okay, so after much ado, we got the new lights in. See those on either side there? All the wire loom is put back together, and we're ready to put the fender on again. All right, you guys, check it out. This is how we cleaned it up. We brought it through that bracket right there that holds the computer, in the wire loom, all the way up, wired it right into the main plug for the tail lights, brake lights, running lights, blah, blah, blah. And it is clean. The oil's already been drained. I'm just pulling this out to put new O-rings in. And then to fill it up. I'm just dipping my finger in a little bit of oil, and I'm gonna lube that O-ring up a little bit, and then I'm just gonna slip it on there, go all the way down, new O-ring. So again, these have already been drained. I'm just, again, making sure it's wiped nice and clean. And a little bit of oil on the O-ring. Sliding it into place, good to go. Sweet! One more. Now the primary drain plug. Oh, that's already loose. Righty-tighty, lefty-loosey, you guys. Just so you know. Alright, so I don't understand this. Somebody put that ring on there. That doesn't go on there. And this O-ring is really loose and chewed up. Oh, and they put Teflon tape on it too. They must have had an issue with this leaking because they didn't replace that. Let's clean it up. Alright, see, that's nice cleaned up. Lubed up the O-ring. You guys, O-rings are freaking cheap. Just put new ones on it. Good grief. Save yourself some hassle. $26 ounces down the hatch. Alright, you guys, here it is. First start after the build. Fresh oil, fresh filter, fresh O-rings on the plugs, fresh gaskets all the way around, and I don't know, let's check it out. And I haven't heard this exhaust before. thanks for checking out Softail Nation. Well, we're just about done with this old girl. And coming up real soon, we've got the final video, so subscribe so you don't miss that. I'm gonna do a final walk around of this girl right here, and whoo, man, it is looking good. So anyway, thanks for checking out Softail Nation, you guys.